Hello and welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So I haven't recorded anything in 2 weeks, and YouTube have a way of making 2 weeks feel like an entire month. But life happens, and a few tragedy. So my mood was just not there, kind of like mourning. And then of course I also busted my knees. Yeah, just not having a great 2018 at all. So, but I have been reading, and so far I've read maybe 4 books so far this year. What am I saying? This month. Not as much as last month, but yeah, interesting. But my TBR kind of went through the window. Like, I was just like, what TBR? Because I literally was reading whatever mood I was in. I was just looking at the books I had, just picked one. I did not read as much contemporary romance as I thought I would. I actually went the complete opposite route, where I was reading crime thriller, kind of mystical. I don't know what category to put one of the book that I read. And also I picked up recently, I am on the last story of this book. This is What It Means When a Man Falls from the Sky by Leslie Nika Arima. So I had this book when it just came out last year, and this is one of those those gems that's on my bookshelf, my TBR bookshelf, that I'm so happy I picked up. I love every single story. Every single story so far. I'm only one story away before I'm finished with the book, which most likely I'm going to be finished with this book as soon as I'm done recording this. And yeah, I love this collection. I really love this collection. I'll talk more about this, of course, in my wrap up. I'm probably going to do a blog review of this this week. But if you haven't read this, do. It's just, yeah. More to come on this one. So I also been slowly reading The Naked Truth by Vi Keelan, because I was really enjoying it. I got to about maybe 50 some percent, almost 6% of the book. I'm reading it on my Kindle. And then I just realized that I think I'm a little bit over one of her common tropes in her book, which is a baby. There's baby everywhere. All her books recently, I noticed there's always some baby. Either somebody baby, your baby, secret baby, revenge baby. Not my baby. I'm just like, why is it that most of her books, there's like a baby lurking around somewhere, and it's just like you're reading and you're loving the storyline, that bam, baby somewhere, baby somewhere. Yeah, I have no idea what's going on with that, but it made me like pause from reading it, because I was just like no, I love the characters in this story. This is like a second chance story, and I love the characters, so I was rooting for them. And then here comes baby somewhere. You don't know how the baby get there, but it gets there in the story somehow. So we'll see how that goes. Definitely gonna finish it. I'm about 60-some% of the book, so I'm enjoying it. It's just that trope of using babies. It's just getting to me. So I also started reading this one, From Lone Quiet Sea by Donald Ryan, and I like the writing. I'm not that far in. I'm only a few pages, but I'm really sucked in with the writing of this. This is a story that from what I know, I haven't, like I said, I've just started it, where it's three, we say immigrants in Ireland, and they all have different stories that makes them go to this particular town. That's what I know, but I'm already like loving the writing of this. It's just something about the writing that's already sucking me in. So, and it's short, and this one did make the Man Booker long list. So, and it is, what is it? 174. So, you know, I'm definitely probably going to finish this weekend. I feel with the kind of writing this is, it definitely should suck me in longer than the initial attraction I have for the book. So, that is it. I am also writing again, because that's another thing that suffered. Writing. I barely post any blog. I think I did 2 blog posts. I still find myself struggling with my draft. I finished my first draft of my short story, and I decided I want to change the beginning of it. I love the ending, but the beginning I really want to change. So I'm working on that again, and I'm probably not going to meet my deadline. My deadline was supposed to be October. I wanted to finish, you know, get it edited, get a copyright, all that stuff, and, you know, post it. For, like I said, it's going to be free. But with this, me wanting to go back into the story and dig, I just have a feeling I'm not going to get my deadline. But I am extremely happy I'm back into the writing mode, because that has been something that irritates me, because I'm always writing and I'm always having my journal, and a few days ago was the first time I started like, okay, let me sit down and write and get back to, you know, the mood of writing. And so I don't know anybody who likes to write like short stories or creative writing for, you know, leisure. This is not like a career thing. It's just something it's like a bucket list for me. Like, I've always wanted to do this, write these short story. And then also I had a dream. I don't know if this has ever happened to anybody. I had a dream, and it was like one of those stories that I'm like, oh my god, I actually woke up and remember certain things. So I started writing down like little things I remember, and I'm like, oh my god. So I have an outline for a different story that it's also gonna be a short story that I really want to pursue, and I don't know what this dream is telling me, but I'm gonna go with it. And of course, most of the stories that I'm interested in, short story, are they contemporary, romance, and also family drama. So I you know, I'm in the mood. I'm happy about it. So anyway, today I am going to take out one of my kids. I don't have any children, but one of my very good friend daughter is going away to college, and it's her first year. So I'm going to take her to dinner and have that speech, and I'm looking forward to all that memory lane of college life. Yeah. So I don't know, any of you guys have kids that's going away to college? How are you guys feeling? You know, are you nervous? Are you happy? You know, all of that. My experience was just different. I got dropped off at the train station, Penn Station in New York, and they never visit my school for graduation. I went all the way to Georgia for college, so for undergrad, and then I did my master's in Boston. So I never got that treatment of coming to visit. I got I see you at graduation. So, you know, I always feel jealous when I see parents, like, you know, actually going with their kids and getting them in. I'm like, oh, I wish I had that experience. My parents was just tough. You're fine, you're independent, we trust you. Go about your business. So that's the experience I have. So anyway, let me stop rambling about non-book stuff, and thanks for watching, guys, and I am going to be recording more stuff, yeah, because I'm in the mood again. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.